So sometimes we prepare a canal to a certain size and our GP point won't fit to that length. So say we've prepared to a size 25, we get a size 25 GP point and that won't go all the way to the full length. There's a couple of reasons this can happen. You might have some debris still down in the canal, but sometimes it occurs because the GP point, when it's produced, has a greater tolerance than the file itself. So sometimes the GP point that is provided to you as being size 25 might be a little bit larger than 25, or sometimes it might be a bit more tapered than your preparation. And this especially occurs when we start using more conservative file systems and more flexible file systems as well. So one way we can get around this is to create a custom GP point, and we do this using something called a taper plate, and I'm going to show you the process that we use to go through that. So here we've got a taper plate. It's simply a plastic or a metal plate with metal inserts that are sized according to ISO standards. Here we've got a medium fine GP point and we're placing it into the size 25 slot, and you can see there's some excess. We're going to use an instrument. This could be a scalpel or some scissor blades, or just a flat plastic like I'm using here, and we cut or break away the excess GP. What we're left with is a GP point that is sized perfectly to a size 25.